Are you looking for a lake house that just feels real? By that I mean has real stuff like real wood doors like this. As a matter of fact, when the current owners are looking at this house, they called it the door house because it does. All these interior doors are actual doors. And plus, because it's in Longleaf, that means it's almost dead center in the middle of the lake. By water, you're almost equidistant to, like, you know, Peanut Point and running up north as you are to going to the landing in Parker Creek. You're a 15-20 minute boat ride to Chuck's, well, probably 15 to Chuck's. You're close to a lot of things by water, just in the dead middle. But then by land, you can go down Highway 34 and you're like 7 or 8 miles away from 3 or 4 restaurants on land like Lake Martin Pizza, Oscar's, Niffer's. Look, and I'm shooting this right as the sun's going down on just a beautiful autumn day. It's got about 7.5 feet of water depth at full pool. As you can see, it's got a fixed dock and also a floating dock and 2 personal watercraft docks for you. It's a great spot to hide your green egg. This is ingenious. Any good lake house has a place to store stuff, right? And here, also in there under the house, their storage area is a land of fire and ice because they got their ice maker right there and plus their tankless water heater. So if you're looking for a lake house that feels real, 28 Forrest Way could be a great fit for you. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty. If you're interested, please give me a shout. I'd love to talk to you more about it.